Right guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to another video. The sun is in my eyes and it's cars driving past on the main road, but today we're at the Playboy mansion. Just joking, although someone has sprayed Playboy mansion on it. But this is a beautiful old hotel. Well, I say old, it was built but it was never finished. And just look at that. Obviously someone's been here today because there's a fire going and there's a tractor on back. But that is pretty awesome. I'm looking forward to getting inside and see exactly what is in there. I guess it's going to be a shell, but who knows? So guys, what's left of this new hotel that was never built, well, never finished being built. As you can see, it is still like a building site. You know, plug sockets put in with a moulding, but no actual plug points. And every room's near enough going to be the same. I know the place has recently been sold, and apparently it's getting knocked down for houses to be built on here. See, the walls have just been totally knocked down. It's a bare shell. I think they just run out of money when it's being built. I'm not too sure. You can quite make it out now, but something's been going on here today, simply because there's a fire that's burning there. So yeah guys, all the rooms are near enough generic, all near enough looks the same apart from graffiti. My theory is, I think they've knocked down all the staircases to stop people from going upstairs. Don't ask me how correct that is or not. I do plan on getting up there, even if it's just walking up one of them beams. Just let her go past. But everything on there just looks the same, really, guys. Yeah, my take is it knocked all the staircases down. So let's look outside. Yeah, work is definitely going on here. Oh yeah, tractor as well. Another dead end down here. Yeah. Exactly identical this side as well, guys. Something a little bit different, I suppose. So yeah, here's the main entrance, what remains. As you can see, it's pretty crazy up there, not a lot left. Floors are just near enough gone. It's just mad to see something like this that was never completed. Rubber. So yeah guys, we're upstairs. It's some tagging, graffiti, all different bits. Obviously someone likes Justin Bieber going by that. And yeah, a bit more of a demolished building inside up here, to be fair. We'll take a little look around nonetheless. See, there's no roof left anyway. Oh, that looked like it was a cool graffiti wall till it was knocked down. There's a bit of time gone into it. Almost looks like Lego bricks just down by there now. just Kurt and his squeaky tripod. Near enough the same as downstairs, guys. Everything is just generic. Lovely corridor shop there though. Let's just take you around to that. That's some cool graffiti. Have to get some shots of that now. I'll just take you in here to show you this wall. Spring Country Tour. If I'm mistaken, correct me. That looks a bit like Biggie Smalls. Bit of a skinnier version, but might be a dead ringer for him. Go through here. This is literally the main entrance. What I was just standing showing you from below. And that's where you can see Mr. Lee. So yeah guys, that's the hotel basically. Let's continue here on. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap the video up there. It's not a main explore, so it's probably just going to be, I don't know, maybe a Friday video along the way, Thursday or Friday like I like to do them. It's certainly different, let's say that. There's not a lot to see here, because it is new, but technically old at the same point. It's just been graffitied. It's a nice little building. It's a shame it was never completed. I'm looking forward to seeing what does get built here. Yeah, we'll just wrap it up there. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love as always. Take care of yourselves.